Stranded, delayed, and rerouted commuters had to roll with the punches after a power issue halted LRT2 operations yesterday morning. From missed medical appointments to long lines just to get to school, the disruption left many scrambling for alternatives. The good news, free rides were rolled out to ease the burden, and normal train operations have since resumed. As our J.M. Pineda tells us more.
Nanay Eva was unable to make it to her scheduled medical exam yesterday for her travel papers abroad because of LRT2 had a disruption yesterday morning, leaving many passengers stranded like Nanay Eva.
Hindi naman ako naabutan ng aberya, kaya lang hindi na kami nakasakay ng umaga. Marami na nakapila sa Antipolo pero hindi na kami mga nakasakay. Nag-jeep na lang kami kasi hanggang Cubao, tapos from Cubao diretso na lang pa Pedro Hill. Kasi may mga jeep naman na nahirapan, sobrang traffic, hindi ako umabot.
Teacher Liz and her child also had to wait in a long line yesterday on their way to school because of the disruption of the train system.
Actually kahapon, pagdating po namin doon sa LRT po, ang dami ng tao. So nag-abang na lang po kami ng jeep, hindi po masyadong traffic. Kaya po nakasakay naman po agad kami, hindi naman po ako na-late.
Operation for LRT2 resumed normally this morning, but the free rides are still ongoing to make up for yesterday inconvenience to passenger. Nanay Eva and Teacher Liz were among those who benefited the free rides after yesterday disruption. According to the Light Rail Transit Authority, one of the trains had insufficient power supply. They tried to repair this before started their operation, but eventually found out that some of the transformers had also failed. The full operation of LRT2 were back to normal before 12 noon yesterday. The LRTA also deployed shuttles to help stranded passengers. Free rides from Antipolo Station to Cubao Station were also provided with the help of Metro Manila Development Authority or MMDA and the Philippine Coast Guard. This is in accordance with the President's directive that public transportation must continue without leaving passengers stranded to prevent further disruption in the coming weeks. J.M. Pineda from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.